Okay, now I'm back to trying to get this to install into this. You see, I found this piece that goes in here like this. So I'm trying to screw that into here. I'm not sure the name of it. It's a doodad for me, but I'm trying. Let's see. I hope I'm doing this right. I don't want to mess it up even further. Let's see. Seems to be going in. So let's see. Oh, I just dropped a little rubber piece. I'll go back to that in a minute. Let's see. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm trying to screw this little piece in without stripping it. Okay, let's see. It looks like it's in there. Let's try this again. Now, here's the washer piece here. Wish me luck. I don't know if it's going to fit. If it doesn't fit, well, I guess I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board. Let's see. Keeping my fingers crossed, guys. Keeping my fingers crossed. Let's see. I could push this in here. Let's see. Let me get this out of the way. I think we got something going on here. Let's see. I don't want to mess this up, but I think it's going through. All right, now let me try the plier to tighten this piece up right here. You see this? I got to tighten it up so that the water filter can go through. All right, let's see. Wish me luck. Okay, now it seems to be going through. Let's see. I don't want to break this, so let's see. All right. I'm trying with the pliers, so sorry about the clicking noise, but I got it. That's an occupational hazard. Let's see. I think I need another kind of plier, but this is all I have. Oops. Hold on one second.